And finally, here are the instructions for Friday's assignment, body paragraph 1. So when you click on this assignment, you will already know a little bit about it because we will talk about it on the day you're on campus. But if you're absent or if you're a DL only student, here are some more instructions for you. So we will be writing our first body paragraph. It's going to be due Sunday night, so you have through the weekend. And your prompt is Mary Maloney a bad person? So after you've read Lamb to the Slaughter, you know that she kills her husband, and I want you to decide, is she a bad person, yes or no? So your instructions here are to read the question and make a claim. I need you to choose one side for the sake of an argument, although you may find yourself swaying in between, like, well, she is a bad person, but she did it because of these reasons. I need you to choose one side. Making a claim is making an assertion, so you need to assert which side you fall more heavily onto. You will fill out the graphic organizer that's attached down here in CAMI. It asks you for 3 pieces of textual evidence, but your paragraph only needs 2. We're working on the CER model, which you should know from 9th grade. It's making a claim, giving a piece of evidence, and supporting it with reason. Those CER body paragraphs typically only take 2 pieces of textual evidence, so that's what you'll need here. After you fill out the graphic organizer, use the line sheet of paper to write your body paragraph. I'll show you that in a second. I mentioned here that this is our very first time writing together, so please just do your best and know that I'm going to give you comments and we're only going to improve from here, so please don't feel stressed or nervous. And again, this is due Sunday. Since you all have the CAMI extension downloaded and working from week 1, you'll click here to find your assignment. And here's what it's going to look like. So you have this graphic organizer here with the claim evidence reasoning. You know your question, is Mary Maloney a bad person? In your claim bubble, that's where you're going to give me your yes or no answer, whichever way you fall. And then you'll type your textual evidence, which is a quote from the story. So all of your evidence should be quotations. And again, you only need 2. And then your reasoning, explaining why that supports your claim. Once you finish that, you'll scroll down and you'll find this nice piece of lined paper. And again, you'll just use the text box and start typing your body paragraph. Once you finish typing your body paragraph, don't forget you need to turn this in on CAMI. So you'll go right up here into the upper right-hand corner and you'll see this turn in button. That's where you're going to hit submit. And you're going to hit submit after you finish the graphic organizer and the body paragraph at the bottom. You'll hit turn in and you'll be ready to go. I'm going to grade all of them on our 0 to 4 scale, and I'm going to give you a lot of comments back, and then you'll be able to do the revision process if you'd like.